How to pay with coins on AliExpress. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new video, and on today's video we will see how we can pay with coins on AliExpress. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch AliExpress application in your mobile device. After that, make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you're logged in, you will land in home page. Now from this home page, navigate to account icon from the bottom right corner. Once you land in your account page here, you will get to this page. Now here there is a coin section, tap on it. Now to use coins in AliExpress, you must have enough coin. If you don't have any coin, you can simply collect one with the daily check-in. So here I will just go and collect some coin. Once you have collected coin, I have earned 50 coin. Now if you scroll down a bit, there you will have different product that you can buy with this coin, where you can get different off according to the amount of coin you have. If you navigate to some product, here it says extra 45% off or 27% off, 12% off, and many more. So if you tap on any of the product, here if you have enough coin, you can buy this product with some discount with the help of your coin in AliExpress. So once you buy or during your checkout process, you will get a discount with the amount of coin you have in your account. So that's the way to pay with coins on AliExpress, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.